Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Coach Bafana bafethu Hugo Bros uyakhala uthi ama-player akhetha imali over ama-careers wabo. Uyasho ukuthi inkinga lena, uthi ama-player akhetha imali over ama-careers. Uthi for ama-players uthi kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ama-player adlale, uthi not directly to where abadlala khona, but-ke uthi kumele bedlale. Uthi-ke that's not the case-ke for ulona u-Adams and obvious ubala noBasadeni bafethu. Uyasho ukuthi obvious uTeboho Mokoena udlala always is always playing laphana and udlala kahle kakhulu for iMamelodi Sundowns, and then ubale noBasadeni indaba yakhe laphana ukuthi akadlali kuMamelodi Sundowns. Uthi imove yakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns-ke imluzise isikhala sakhe laphana kuBafana Bafana. Uthi kungenzeka angadlali laphana ku-AFCON ngoDisemba if i-situation yakhe ayishintshi laphana. So I mean it shows ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi ama-players adlale, and kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ama-player akhethe ama-team a-right, a-prioritize imali over ama-football careers wabo, because let's say for example you have to read uBasadeni bekumele abheke ukuthi lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns khona Mudiba, khona uLunga, khona uThiwana abangadlali kakhulu, and then khona abafana boThato Sibiya bampromothile umfana but naye akadlali, and then yena bekazofitha kanjani. And sikhumbule ukuthi bonke abantu, almost bonke abantu kuMamelodi Sundowns laba abadlalayo Bafana International. Kusho ukuthi uBasadeni going to Mamelodi Sundowns ispace sakhe khona besizo-sacrifice-ke isikhala sakhe ku-national team bekuzoba ubani, but at the moment ulokhu njani bafethu uBasadeni. No-Adams naye akasekho kuBafana Bafana, but-ke bebenza kahle kakhulu that time beku-Stellenbosch. This is not a good thing for ama-careers wabo, but imali batholile imali e-right, but for how long? Asingeneni kuyo bafethu, singayikhi phezulu. Welcome again to Nkuli Soccer Podcast, la ngikhuluma khona iqiniso lami bafethu. Sometimes ngiba harsh, but-ke ngibona i-statement and then ngizibreaka down ngendlela yami bafethu. Well, I go beyond indaba zebhola inside the field of play. I'm also questioning like behind the scenes izinto ezinjalo. So Hugo Process yazi ukuthi bafethu wenza kahle kakhulu laphana kuBafana Bafana. I mean ivoice yakhe singayilalela, singamcriticize kwezinye izinto, but-ke bayawathola ama-results and i-decision making yakhe iyamsebenzela. So i-warning enkulu lena for ama-players ukuthi a-choose ini ukudlala more than anything else. U-Adams noBasadeni bafethu obviously-ke ba-heavily affected by ukuthi bangasadlali kakhulu laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, or bangabi ne-influence enkulu. Sibayadlala lapho nalapho siyababona, but-ke badlala isikhathi esingakanani. That is why baluze ispace sabo kuBafana Bafana from ama-hungry players, because maningi ama-players afuna ukudlalela iBafana Bafana, afuna ukubona. So ama-sports wabo athathwe ngokuthi bahlale ebhentshini. Sometimes isikhathi esiningi uBasadeni uhlalele kuma-grandstand. So I mean uyabancoma uHugo Bros abadlala. Uyasho ukuthi uTeboho Mokoena i-perfect example ngoba i-player elidlalayo kuMamelodi Sundowns, much as waya kuMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke uyadlala even namanje noma kufika ama-player amasha, but usadlala. Adams-ke is not the case. Umfana bafethu wase-Cape Town u-Adams siyazi ukuthi ufike kuMamelodi Sundowns just this year. I think ufike ngoJanuary if angenzi iphutha. Ku-Stellenbosch was one of the most promising midfielders, and there were rumors ukuthi beyafunwa nama-teams wase-Spain or overseas that time ku-Stellenbosch, but wachoose Mamelodi Sundowns. Beka-unstoppable laphana i-passing yakhe, i-pressing yakhe, creator ne-pace. Bekuyibafana Bafana material, and uHugo Bros bemthemba ngempela laphana, nama-fans bamthanda, but-ke move yakhe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns yiyo estope izinto zakhe. A big transfer, obviously a better paycheck, bafethu imali etshintsha impilo yakhe, but-ke ama-minutes laphana on the field of play yiwo-ke inkinga bafethu. I mean mesibheka kahle iMamelodi Sundowns, if like ku-Stellenbosch umfana beyohola lese 40,000 rands, Mamelodi Sundowns it was asikunika 200,000 plus nama-bonuses manwina ama-match. Uyabona ukuthi impilo yakhe iyatshintsha. So decision making naye ayizomshaya imali bafethu yiyo. Hayi imali inkinga of the problem, but-ke singawa-blame ama-player, but at the same time ngeke siwa-blame because ibhola i-short career ngeke wazi ukuthi kungenzekani. But at the same time story sakaBasadeni yena-ke uBasadeni-ke ku-different, because uBasadeni befuna ama-teams amaningi, naye bedlala kahle kakhulu laphana ku-left back, ku-Stellenbosch eshaya amagoli, eshaya ama-assist, enza nje kwasani, and then beka-crucial kakhulu-ke for iBafana Bafana ku-journey nje yabo kuma-qualifications we-World Cup, even nama-qualifications we-AFCON bekhona present laphana, but-ke manje akasabonwa. Why? Because akasadlali laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Uke waba yi-captain futhi kuBafana Bafana not so long ago uBasadeni, but manje akasekho at all. Situation yakhe mayingatshentshi-ke ngeke adlale ne-AFCON. So that's heavy coming from a national coach. Imagine going from international or national team ube starter corner and then ube out of his squad because of awudlali eteamini yakho. Yile nto le ayichazayo-ke uHugo Broos ukuthi ama-player mawangagijimisa imali awagijimisa ama-careers wabo and then akwazi ukukhava izinto zabo because uzogijimisa imali ungadlali, but sometimes ugijimisa imali at the same time uwuthemba because ama-players ayathemba ukuthi angafika ama-team anew afika adlale. Imagine uBasadeni ushayiswa ebench uModibo is not even a traditional left back but uwumuntu okwazi ukudlala laphana ku-left because uyakwazi ukushaya uqala ama-counter attacks asebenzise nespeed sakhe laphana, but-ke ya uBasadeni kunzima kakhulu nanokuthi a-adapt to i-culture eMamelodi Sundowns, maybe the way abadlala ngakhona sasenzinyana, but-ke sithemba ukuthi izinto zizotshintsha, but-ke mezishintsha kusho ukuthi phela bazodropa uModibo. Ngeke phela baselekthwe bowu-2 laphana ku-left back kuMamelodi Sundowns, kuzoselekthwa umuntu ophefoma kahle kangconywana unless if uModibo bazomconverter to a different position. Well, i-struggle i-deep lento lena bafowethu. At the same time ama-patterns akhona, i-history yasitshela ukuthi sometimes ama-agent nama-family pressure sometimes i-desire ukuthi u-escape mhlampe ama-financial struggle uzovele uye ethimini enkulu ezokuholela kangcono ukwazi ukuhola lesi njengama-teams amanye wase-Europe amancane, because mawubheka iMamelodi Sundowns uyakwazi ukusayina ama-player wase-Europe nase-South America banika ama-contract better than e-Europe. So kunzima kakhulu lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns. Ulo Adams, considering the fact that Mamelodi Sundowns add ama-2 European players adlale i-midfielder uRisinho, uSantosi, uhlala kuphi yena-ke masimbheka lapha no-Adams because kuzoba nzima kakhulu for umfowethu, but it's a game of football. You must keep believing akwazi ngempela ukuzilwela, but-ke ngathi uzolwa a losing fight. Sibe honest njengoba bengishilo bafethu, it's not about ukuba greedy, maybe sometimes it's not just ukuba greedy, maybe sometimes uthatha ama-poor decisions, but it's about i-system overall. South African football alikwazi ukuguide ama-youngsters. La sengikhuluma or ama-player in general, but asiqale nge-youngstar ulona bafowethu Adams. Mawubheka abakwazi ukubamgayida ngendlela e-right because ababheki bona i-long term, ama-agents wakhe or ama-lawyer abheka i-short term ukuthi azothola imali fast, so ayikho i-planning. So ama-players nje a-few anama-advisors a-proper bayakwazi ukubagayida. So ama-player amaningi afuna nje ukumove to the highest level, obviously amove to ama-teams amakhulu, but ababheki i-squad saleyo let's say for example umuva kuMamelodi Sundowns or ku-Chiefs or ku-Pirates, bheka u-Pirates ukuthi isquad singakanani, kumele ubheke isquad sakho ukuthi okay ngiyi-midfielder ngiya ku-Orlando Pirates, ngizodlala naku-Orlando Pirates njengoba banginama-midfielders angaka, uzibheke nawe compared to amanye ama-player uzibone kuzoba nzima kakhulu. Rather choose i-team la ubona khona ukuthi okay financially they are sorted, maybe they're not paying bigger than the Pirates, but kuzoba afforded more game time. I mean laba uBasadeni bebamselecta noma belaphana ku-Stellenbosch, no-Adams bebamselecta even laphana ku-Stellenbosch, so there's not a big issue or problem ukuthi bavele bamove right away. Bekungamelanga batatazele, they could have or should have taken their time ukuthi bakwazi ukuthatha isinqumo esi-right esizobhenefitha bona bafowethu. So I mean obviously lesson from Hugo Broos enkulu across Africa ukuthi story same, ama-players agijimisa ama-contracts amakhulu for ukuthi benze imali fast, but thola ukuthi growth ayikho overall. So kunzima kakhulu bafethu, but-ke kubakhoste isikhala sabo laphana kuMamelodi kuBafana Bafana ukuthi bethole belaphana kuMamelodi Sundowns at the same time bangayitholi i-game time. Mamelodi Sundowns, I think we can applaud noma siyishayile isandla Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ibanika abafana ama-better salaries, but at what cost for ama-players ama-individual, because ama-players yiwo bafethu kumele a-decide for themselves ukuthi bona bafunani nanokuthi babheka kanjani izinto overall. You have to study a team, uyibheke ukuthi okay kule team le ngizodlala ngeke ngidlala, ama-opportunities amangakanani, abathenjwayo kule team obani, and why ku-important ukuthi usayine nalowo team le, ungavele uyele imali nje kuphela, because I mean maku-professional setup imali ayikho that bad. You could join a smaller team uzithembe ukuthi uzokwazi ukwenza kahle la uzoba afforded khona i-game time eningi, and then in the next couple of months or couple of years nyana, and then ukwazi-ke ukumuva to a better team, yabo. And I think kwamanye ama-teams kumele uye mase way matured bafethu, not just ukuthi ugijimele ukuya ethimini just because of isekho imali, but uBasadeni I think beka-ready ukuthi aye ethimini enkulu because semdala. Imagine u-Adams i-career yakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns istake nje manje njengoba engaka. Mamelodi Sundowns imgcina or imlonele kuma-teams amancane, so kuphelile ngaye kanjalo nje, angabi ne-long career because we've seen iphethini ama-Mamelodi Sundowns players basayina ama-qualities isikhathi esiningi uyi-quality but uhlala ebhentshini isikhathi eside ugcine indaba yakho iphelele emoyeni. But ngithe iMamelodi Sundowns singayishayela izandla ngoba banika ama-player ama-better contract, even though uthola ukuthi ama-players awadlali, but-ke uma bejoyina iMamelodi Sundowns baba financially secured for some time. But ukuthemba bafethu, you can sign for a bigger team but izinto zingahambi kahle sometimes, maybe khona izinto ezingakuphazamisa. But yeah, Basadeni, Adams, iminyangweni isavulekile ukuthi niye ku-national team, but-ke you have to play week in and week out for iMamelodi Sundowns. Asibambelana bafethu. Nkuli lona, this is Nkuli Soccer Podcast. La ngikhuluma khona iqiniso lami, or the way ngibona ngakhona i-beautiful game. Sibafisela inhlanhla abafana, i-competition inzima kuMamelodi Sundowns. Futhi for ulo Adams lapha nesiswini, kuzoba nzima. uBasadeni ngiyambona may-comfortable, uBasadeni is better than uModiba, let's be fair. But once he gets to that comfort zone uzokwenza ey'bukwayo, ngimfisela inhlanhla. Danko.